Hello everyone. Today's we are going to discuss a topic that is SAR of carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, that means structural activity relationship of carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. Actually, two groups of carbonic anhydrase inhibitors are as follows. Number 1 is heterocyclic sulfonamides and number 2 is meta disulfamoyl benzene derivatives. So, first of all, number 1 is heterocyclic sulfonamide. This is the basic structure about the heterocyclic sulfonamide. So, the carbon 2 sulfonoyl group is important for the activity. The free sulfonoyl moiety is necessary to bind with zinc ions in the enzyme. Hence, substitution of sulfonoyl group gives inactive compound. Next one is the moiety to which the sulfonoyl group is attached must be aromatic in characters. Next number is the heterocyclic sulfonamides with higher partition coefficient and lowest pKa value have greatest carbonic anhydrase inhibitory and diuretic activities. For example, acetazolamide and methazolamide. Next, N-alkylation with methyl group on ring N of acetazolamide yields active co-compounds, that is methazolamide. Next one is meta disulfamoyl benzene derivatives. This is the basic structure about the meta disulfamoyl benzene derivatives. So, if the substitution in this basic structure, what becomes is meta disulfamoyl benzene do not have diuretic activity. Substituted meta sulfamoyl benzene exhibits diuretic activity. Next point is the maximum diuretic activity is obtained when fourth is substituted by chlorine, bromine, CF3 or NO2 group. The unsubstituted sulfonoyl moiety is essential for the activity. Any substitution leads to affect the potency of the compound. Actually, the unsubstituted sulfonoyl moiety is essential for the activity. Any substitution leads to affect the potency of the compound. The sulfonoyl moiety can be replaced with similar electrophilic group, that is carboxyl carbomoyl, that may increase the potency of the compound. Next one is substitution of amino group at 6th position increases the autonomic activity but decreases carbonic anhydrase inhibitory activity. So, the substitution of the amino group at the 6th position is aluronic activity but decreases the carbon anhydrase inhibitor activity. This is about the structural activity relationship of carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. Hope you understand about the SAR of carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. Actually, this is the SAR of diuretic. Hope you understand about it. Thank you.